संडे आफ्टरनून एंड आप लोगों ने टाइम निकाला. ऑब्वियसली आपका पैशन है, आपका आर्ट है, यू वांट टू शोकेस योरसेल्फ हियर. आप दुनिया को दिखाना चाहते हैं. सो दिस इज़ आई थिंक द बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म. सो वी शुड ऑलवेज बी वेरी ग्रेटफुल जो भी हमको लाइफ में मिलता है. एंड फॉर दैट भगवान को थैंक यू तो बोलते ही बोलते हैं, बट ऑब्वियसली हमारे जो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स हैं प्रवीण एंड अनुभव, दे गेव यू द प्लेटफॉर्म टू बी हियर. सो राउंड अप्लॉज फॉर देम. Yes, because we all got this opportunity because of them. ये उन लोगों का hard work है कि आज हम लोग सब यहाँ पे, दो बहुत कम हैं, but even then we are here, we are like a family, and Mike Till is obviously doing very well. So now further going ahead, let me introduce myself. I am Rupali Kapoor and I'm a healer. I'm a grandmaster of Reiki, and Reiki अगर आप लोगों को नहीं पता होगा तो it's a Japanese art of healing, where we do not touch the patient. Distant healing से हम heal करते हैं. And over the years I have been healing people internationally. मेरे जितने भी patient हैं वो maximum out of India के हैं, India में भी हैं, where I heal people from cancer to depression to counseling to everything. Apart from that, I'm a tarot card reader, and obviously thanks again to Praveen and Anubhav that I do roasting very well. And this was my first platform where I started roasting, and मेरा जो forte है roasting Gen Z. मतलब Gen Z's की roasting करना, definitely I will be giving up, I will be doing my roasting after the book launch, which is the prime focus for today. So we all know what books are and how important they are. हम लोग शुरू से ही पढ़ते आ रहे हैं बुक्स के बारे में, और बुक से हमें जो नॉलेज मिलती है, तो वी टॉक अबाउट इडियट बॉक्स. नो लॉन्गर इट्स एन इडियट बॉक्स, इट बेसिकली अ यूनिवर्सिटी. यू नो व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट? व्हाट? टीवी. एग्जैक्टली. आई वुड लाइक टू हैव इंटरैक्शन, आप बोलिए, सो दैट इट्स नॉट दैट कि मैं यहाँ पे आके प्रवचन दे रही हूँ. नो नो नो, आई एम नॉट इन अ मूड टू गिव एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रवचन. लेट्स हैव इंटरैक्टिव सेशन, बिकॉज हमारे जो उभरते हुए कलाकार हैं और राइटर हैं, वो भी इस टाइम उतने ही नर्वस हैं जितने मैं नर्वस हूँ. ठीक है ना? बिकॉज क्या है कि मैं पहली बार किसी इतने बड़े राइटर का इंटरव्यू लेने वाली हूँ, तो मैं नर्वस हूँ, और वो इसलिए नर्वस हैं क्योंकि एक इतना बड़ा इंटरव्यूअर उनका इंटरव्यू लेने वाला है, तो इसलिए वो नर्वस हैं. सो वी गाइज, वी बोथ ऑफ अस नीड योर सपोर्ट. तो हम कहीं पे भी गड़बड़ करते हैं तो हमको प्लीज़ सपोर्ट करिएगा. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द बुक लॉन्च टुडे विच वी आर गोइंग टू हैव. But let me tell you about the book today. See, it's a very serious book in the sense कि जो राइटर हैं उन्होंने अपने पूरे जज्बात, अपनी पूरी फीलिंग्स, जो उन्होंने देखा है, जो उन्होंने अनुभव करा है, वो सब कुछ उन्होंने उसमें वर्ड्स के माध्यम से आप तक को पहुंचाने की कोशिश करी है. तो एक कहावत है कि लोग कहते हैं कि बुक्स अच्छी नहीं थी या बुक अच्छी नहीं है, मज़ा नहीं आया. आप कभी उस बुक को उस बुक के नज़रिए से पढ़िएगा. ऑथर, राइटर आप तक क्या पहुंचाना चाह रहा है, उस नज़रिए से पढ़िएगा. वो उसके एफर्ट्स हैं, वो उसकी फीलिंग्स हैं. जब आप उस लहजे से और उस नज़रे से पढ़ेंगे ना, तो डेफिनेटली यू विल लव द बुक. एंड आई एम श्योर यू आर गोइंग टू लव दिस बुक. इट इज़ अबाउट, हम फिक्शियस नहीं कह सकते हैं, बिकॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ इट इज़ अबाउट जो राइटर ने देखा है, अनुभव किया है. एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट विमेन एम्पावरमेंट, जो आजकल का टॉपिक है. कल ही हम लोगों ने इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे सेलिब्रेट करा. सो वंस अगेन चीयर्स टू ऑल द विमेन, starting from mom to daughter to sister to everyone, because they are your backbone. हम कहते हैं ना कि एक को पढ़ाओ तो वो ही पढ़ा लिखा निकलता है, बट अगर मॉम को पढ़ा दो ना तो पूरी एंटायर फैमिली इज एजुकेटेड. सो बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू ऑल द मॉम्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. है ना? बिना मम्मा के वी कैन नॉट सर्वाइव, एंड इट इज़ देयर ब्लेसिंग्स. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट, वी नो दैट गर्ल्स आर डेफिनेटली डूइंग वेरी वेल. कहाँ नहीं है वो, स्पेस से लेके पूरी वर्ल्ड में छाए हुए हैं. कोई भी ऐसा एरिया और वर्क नहीं है जहाँ पे वी डू नॉट हैव फीमेल्स, राइट? सो दिस इज़ वॉट वी आर गोइंग टू आस्क द राइटर, वॉट ही हैड एक्चुअली वॉन्टेड टू टेल अस. अपने बुक के माध्यम से वो हम तक क्या पहुँचाना चाहते हैं. आई डोंट वांट टू से मच अबाउट द बुक बिकॉज वो उनका फोटे है एंड वो ही डिस्कस करेंगे. सो नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू इन्वाइट आवर टैलेंटेड budding writer Anubhav, and give a round of applause for him. Please welcome. the writer of this book. So now he's asking where's the second mic. See, देख हम कितने nervous हैं, nervous हैं. So welcome Anubhav.
Hello everyone. First of all, good afternoon and namaste. It means a lot that you all have, taken out some time from your busy schedules and you all came here. Especially, I would like to mention few names, especially Bhumika, who has come. Like we know each other from Kora. So Bhumika, it means a lot. Sorry, I could not interact with you earlier. And then my brother and sister are there. As a writer, I get a lot of messages and mails, on Quora and on Instagram, but they never take me seriously. They have been laughing ever since they have come here. I don't know why. Okay, so, but it really means a lot that they are here for me. And, to all the artists who have come here, especially Rupali ji, who agreed to interview me. And again, the member of Decent Studios who have been very cooperative with us. So with that, I think we should start.
Yeah, so we are going to start with the book launch. And before we launch the book, I would like to ask Anubhav to please take a seat. And there are a few questions which I'm going to ask so that आप लोगों को better understanding हो पाए about the writer, about the book and everything. So you are ready to go?
Yes, completely.
Sure? You all are ready to go? So come on guys, where is that Zing? Breakfast, lunch कुछ नहीं करके आए क्या? थोड़ा सा तो जज्बा दिखा दो. All right. So we are going to start with the first question. And so Anubhav, the question is here that how are you feeling today? Today you are going to launch this is your first ever book, right?
Right.
So I'm sure there's a lot of excitement, nervousness, and everything so much there inside, So exactly what do you feel about it?
It took me like 3 years to finally launch the book. So initially when I had started, I started with so much of enthusiasm and zeal, but then the time was very long. So abhi to, yeah, I am feeling happy, but nervous as well. But then I met you and, you made me comfort that everything is going to be fine. So yeah, I'm feeling happy. That's it.
Of course.
Nervousness is not there, I think.
We all are like a family, right? और हम लोगों का फर्ज बनता है support करना. Another round of applause. Come on. So tell us the story or the journey that when you started writing, how it went, what all phases you went. So in a very brief synopsis, if you feel comfortable. हाँ, हिंदी English दोनों में we can understand English हिंदी, right? है ना? पंजाबी गुजराती भी चलेगी. चलो. आती है ना? Great.
Okay, so it all started, back in 2023 when somebody very close to me was sexually assaulted and she was only 13. So we filed a case, we fought and fought and fought, but Indian judiciary failed us.
That is sad when we actually have so much of faith in our judicial system and one has to go through that. That's really sad.
And it left me very disheartened with everything, with life and with people, with society. I had gone in a very different zone. That's why, that's when I met Praveen and I told him, hey, I want to write a book, but I don't know that how will I, who will publish it. And there are a lot of things. Writing is just a part. You have to do formatting, you have to approach publisher and you have to convince them. So he said, you just start writing and everything is up to me. So since day one, he has been there. I think if he hadn't been there, I wouldn't have written a book. I wouldn't have got a tag of author from the writer.
See, that is what we all are, what are friends for. इतना कुछ होने के बाद आदमी डिप्रेशन में जा सकता है, कुछ गलत कदम उठा सकता है. But see his strength. He wrote a book. He wanted to spread the message. He wanted to give you the message. So that is what you call the strength, right? So kudos to the writer, right? So great. So what makes your book special that we should go and buy? Though definitely we all are going to buy the book after this book launch just to show our support, and it is not of too much, 150. He said, I'm going to sell it for more. मैंने कहा, no, we are not going to sell it for more. We want to spread the message that book is important, the thought is important. So I'm sure you guys are going to support. But before that, I want to know, what make it so special that we should buy and read from? There's so many authors in the...
यार ये तो पढ़ने के बाद पता चलेगा ना.
यार ये नहीं बता रहा, बंदा पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. तो भाई पढ़ने को तैयार हो? ग्रेट. श्योर श्योर. ये मेरे पास सारी बुक्स अभी खत्म हो जाएंगी ना. ओह वाओ, दैट्स ग्रेट. So
But again, I would like, sorry to interrupt you,
Okay.
but I would like to say कि, you know, as an writer and reader, I have read several authors. But if you all see कि the craze, like India में craze है ज़्यादा international writers का rather than Indian writers का. Like
here I will not support you. आजकल देखो, India, we are Indians, we are the greatest one, and we are
but
supporting
you are not a
Indians.
Gen Z. I'm talking about Gen Zs.
No, I'm not Gen Z. I thought Rose Gen Zs.
So I'm talking about Gen Zs, na? They prefer international authors, and the reason being कि you know, if you read writers like Chetan Bhagat, they write shit. They write shit. I'm
You
sorry if somebody is getting offended.
should not comment like this. That is again when I said कि ये आपका perception है. Maybe we do not like Chetan Bhagat, but that's okay. You talk about your
you know,
book.
so my book, what makes my book different from indie authors is कि I have mixed the element of, you know, India and international. So it serves you everything, and it is not just based on a single theme. It has, you know, crime, mystery, thriller, and then again platonic love, complex friendships, you know, familial relationships. So it has everything. It will serve you everything. Each chapter is different and unique itself.
ये तो पढ़ने के बाद पता लगेगा. That's what he said, you know. तो अभी हमको पढ़ना पड़ेगा, and we are going to tag him. We need to take his handle, Insta handle, and there we are going to give our reviews. So that अगर book अच्छी है, तो we will be expecting another book soon from him, right? Yes or no, guys? Come on, वैसी handful of people are here. अच्छा, okay. On the another note, boring लग रहा है क्या? नहीं, तो कुछ तो बोलो यार, कुछ तो जज्बा दिखाओ. हाँ जी, किसने हाथ उठाया? नहीं 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 नहीं, इस बार 3 साल वेट नहीं करवाएंगे हम. 3 महीने के अंदर पब्लिश करवाएंगे. आप अभी बुक पढ़ो, रिव्यूज दो, मोटिवेट द ऑथर, राइट? सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम बाइंग फ्रॉम हियर, वेयर एल्स वी कैन बाय द बुक फ्रॉम?
Well, as of now, the book is available on the official website of Mike Tail, and you know, we also have the hard copy. So if anybody wants to buy, you can get from here, or you can order from Mike Tail's official website. But soon it will be out there on Flipkart and Amazon.
Wow,
Our
that is
publisher
good.
is working on them.
Great. So we can always buy from Amazon. Else, Praveen ji is there. Mike Tail is here. We all can buy from here. So any kind of special research, or it was just random, or you did some kind of study? As he said, another 3 साल wait करना पड़ेगा.
Well, I had to do a lot of research. You know, so I have been writing from last 3 years, but I used to write articles. So, not articles, you know, I used to write from my point of view, the way I see the world. And people used to love it and appreciate on Quora. But then when I started writing, you know, I had to write different characters. And for example, if I am writing a character who has been sexually assaulted, so I have to make myself feel ki how is she feeling. And if I am writing a character of a cop or a police or a judge, I have to study that how they behave, how they speak, how is their profession like. And that's what took me 3 years. Like I started my book back in back in 2023 in my village. And after 1 or 2 months, there came a phase where I was like, I didn't know what anymore to write. There was this phase of stagnancy. And that's when I moved to Lucknow in a PG just for the purpose of writing book, because I was not able to focus back in my village. I needed the change in the atmosphere. And there I think I roughly completed my book. But again, I came back. And then after that, I shifted to Allahabad to write the second draft of my book. And because, you know, you have to go in isolation, but at the same time, you cannot just write a book sitting in a room. You have to travel and you have to take inspiration. So I was there in Allahabad for like 2 months, and then I went to Banaras. So there I completed like I think the third draft of my book, because I had to change a lot of scenes. Like it's like today I'm writing a scene and tomorrow I'm feeling like, no, this is crap. What the shit I'm writing, and I used to change it because I'm a perfectionist. And that's how I can assure you that you are going to love this book. I mean, the first one or two chapters might be crap, but
nahin, we
you
are not saying
you
that
are
is
going
going
to
to
love the further chapters.
Definitely, we are going to love it.
And then, after completing the final draft, I came to Noida, and here we are launching the book.
See, Noida is a place where, we give a chance to budding artists and people. So this is what all about the city. And UP तो obviously आपको पता है कि उल्टा प्रदेश है. Sorry, उत्तर प्रदेश है. Oh, even I am from Uttar Pradesh. What I am talking about. So definitely, when the author is saying that he went into the character to write that character's, thoughts and everything. So definitely it's going to be very genuine. और जिस तरीके से ये बता रहे हैं ना, मेरे को तो बस लग रहा है ये सब बंद करके पहले बुक पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर दूँ. मतलब he is making it so interesting. I'm sure you guys are also feeling it interesting or not. Great. So can you tell us what is the most interesting or the favorite part of your book? Any quote or any kind of, page, something, incident?
Well, there are a lot of scenes. After completing my book, I opened the PDF and I was like, I read it and I was so impressed. I was like, no, I cannot write this. It was
अपने आप पे
extraordinary.
विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था बंदे को. Oh my God.
I even discussed it with Praveen, Praveen, how can I write this well?
दूसरी आत्मा आ गई थी हमारे अंदर.
Because I was
Okay.
in that zone that time. But then yesterday I was going through the pages of the book, and yesterday was a Women's Day, right? And I read a line. It is very subtle and simple, but it has a lot of depth that every woman is an artist, every woman is an art. So, maybe right now it might be sounding like a simple line, but once you will read that, that scene or proper incident, you are going to love it. You are going to feel each word that every woman is an artist, every woman is an art.
And this is what the theme of our today's session, that we are just not performing art. We are just not celebrating art. We are launching art. So hands, big hands for that. So very nice, and definitely we would say that women is like they are an art. To understand an art, you need to have an eye of an artist, right? Because they're the most complicated species of the world. Anyways, so हैं दो ही हंसे भाई, ऐसी क्या बात हो गई थी? हैं पढ़ने की कोशिश करी है क्या किसी को? All right. So next is कभी सोचा था कि मैं नहीं लिख पाऊंगा, छोड़ो यार, कहाँ मैं किस भसड़ में फंस गया. भसड़ इज द फर्स्ट वर्ड विच आई लर्न इन नोएडा, है ना. हाँ, व्हेन आई केम हियर, भसड़ भाई ये भसड़ होता क्या है. एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट हिंदी वर्ड विच आई पिक्ड अप इन नोएडा, भसड़. सो डिड यू एवर थॉट?
Well, a lot of times actually.
Okay.
This is the first book, I started writing, and just after 2 or 3 pages, I did not know what else to write. And there were a lot of times when I felt like, I should quit it. Because it needs a lot of patience. Giving something to your 3 years is a lot. So there were times, but then again, I had such friends like Praveen. This guy has been there, I used to do a 8 hours ka shift. I used to write for 8 hours. And he had given me कि इतने वर्ड्स तुम्हें लिखने हैं, and उतने वर्ड्स मैं नहीं लिखता था, so he used to scold me. So I'm so blessed to have such people around me. Even some people could, like Bhumika is there. Although I have been born and brought up in a village, but I was always virtually connected with such great minds which exist in our country.
When something important is going to happen, the universe align. Maybe that
exactly.
is why.
So that's how I was connected with those people, and they always uplifted me. They always cheered me, and whatever I am today, it's just because of them. I mean, I completed my studies from a Hindi medium school, and sitting here, speaking this fluently, is big deal.
Great. Another round of applause.
So I have
Great.
educated myself with the help of internet. I
Yes.
never got the exposure.
Good. So that is what makes you the author. You need to upgrade yourself every day. Upgradation is very important. Every day mobile phone का जब upgradation हो रहा है तो हमारा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है यार? So we need to educate and we have to upskill us to survive in this world. हमको अपने आप को ज़माने के हिसाब से, पहले के लोग भी बोलते थे ज़माने के हिसाब से आपको बदलना पड़ेगा, अपने आप को चेंज लाने पड़ेंगे. पर जेंजीज आजकल कहते हैं जो upskilling ourselves, you know, that's Gen Z language. Anyways, so next is like, is there any takeaway a reader should have from your book, or what you should be?
Takeaway, learning, right?
Kind of like what inspiration or something to take back, you know, some kind of message. What?
Whatever I can think as of now is कि you know, I always used to think कि क्योंकि I have always lived in village and I don't like mentioning it again and I used to think कि people who are not educated, they don't know how to take a stand for themselves. But you know, then I have been to different cities and there I also saw कि you know, if something is happening wrong, people don't care. They just cannot take a stand for themselves, or even अगर कुछ उनके साथ ही गलत हो रहा है, they cannot take a stand for themselves, and अगर कुछ बाहर भी गलत हो रहा है, so they just pass by or they just ignore it. And you know, when I took a stand for that girl, people came to me, you know, why are you putting yourself in trouble? Because the people who had committed the crime, they were powerful people, and they were like my well-wishers were like, why are you getting into that? But no, I had to do it. I mean, that's what I have always been.
Right. So the message will be?
Exactly, just speak up for yourself, speak up for your friends, take a
stand up for yourself. The message is stand up for yourself. Show it to the world that you are important. When God has sent you, He has sent you for some purpose. Okay? So do that purpose. That's a very great message you have sent through this. Thank you so much. Now, again, I think it's just a repeated question because since the starting of the session, he's been praising Mike Till and praising Praveen. But definitely, I would ask you again how he helped you to launch the book.
One of the reasons that it took me so long was that, you know, the first publisher we had deal with, they dissed me. They dissed me at the last moment and I was very sad ki, okay, everything is gone now. So, like many of you might not know, Mike Till has this segment, Nemoria Press. So that's when, you know, Mike Till came up front and they took all the responsibility ki, we are going to do, you know, from the, as you can see the book cover.
It's a beautiful book. See.
From the book cover
Treasure in your closet or in your cupboard.
to designing, you know, to formatting and to launching, marketing. They have taken all the responsibility. So I had to do nothing, literally nothing. That's how Mike Till has helped me.
So the hero and the star is Praveen, right? So I think everyone knows who Praveen ji is. Yo? Please stand up, Praveen ji. Can we see you? Can we see you, please? Yeah, round of applause. Thank you so much. So finally, if we talk about how many years, suppose we may be having some buddy writers here, so what kind of time they should dedicate to writing a book? Maybe they have a story, maybe they have a content, maybe they don't have anything. But roughly कितना थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर बता के you know जांच मांच के कितना time लग जाएगा?
कितना time लग जाएगा? It depends on the person. But again, you know, as I said कि I started writing my first book when I was 12 and then maybe when I was 18 I just started writing my second book. But I did not have the proper guidance. Maybe I had the skill or whatever, but I did not have the proper guidance. But when in 2020, when I met Praveen and I met other writers on Quora, so they gave me proper guidance that how you should, you know, go on with writing your book. So if you want to become something, just be with the kind of people you want to.
Okay, so proper guidance, a channelizing
Company.
is required. Definitely talent तो होता ही है तभी आप book को लिखोगे. Great. So anything you want to tell the people or the readers before they start reading? Ki you told us the message, you told us what the content is, but anything before we open the book and start reading? Anything special we should focus on, or anything which you would like us to focus on?
Okay, so as you all know that this is my first book and there might be many errors. Since we did not hire any professional editor, any professional designer, or anybody, we have not, like, till now, apart from the cost of production, we have not spent a single penny. So there can be minor errors, and you know, when I don't want anybody कि आप यहाँ से book लेके जा रहे हो, then you are like, oh, there's this mistake, there's this mistake. Even I read books ना, and like the most famous authors, उनके books में भी printing के time पे कुछ ना कुछ इधर उधर mistakes होते हैं.
टेक्निकल ग्लिच कैन बी अवॉइडेड.
हाँ, so please avoid that.
जज्बातों पे ध्यान देना, टेक्निकल ग्लिच को छोड़ दो, और भूल चूक माफ तो होती ही रहती है. तो सिंस वी लव आवर ऑथर, सो वी नीड टू रिस्पेक्ट हिज एफर्ट्स, एंड स्टार्टअप है, फर्स्ट बुक है, तो इतना तो बनता है, राइट? इतना तो बनता है ना? ये ऑल राइट. सो व्हाट इज द, डू यू हैव एनी फन फैक्ट हियर? Any, though it's on a very serious note, but still I'm sure there must be some kind of fun factor
In the book,
in the book.
of course, there are a lot of scenes which will make you laugh, like
Okay.
very very badly laugh.
Okay. Can you relate one? No?
I don't remember.
Okay. Anyway, so he doesn't want to tell. He remembers each and everything. रात को बैठ के पूरी बुक पढ़ी है. पेपर पता कौन कौन सा वर्ड कौन से पेज पे सब रहता है, बट ही डजंट वांट, बिकॉज यू नो ही वांट्स यू टू रीड एंड एंजॉय द बुक. सो ऑफिशियली वी आर डन विद द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, एंड आई होप द बुक, द मैसेज इज क्वाइट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. एंड एनीवन फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस वुड लाइक टू आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन, एनी क्वेरी? यस प्लीज. सर, योर नेम प्लीज.
मेरा नाम भारत विश्वकर्मा है. आपने इस शुरुआत की है, आपकी उम्र भी थोड़ी कम है, अच्छा लगा. आप नए लोग उभर रहे हैं इस तरह से. लेकिन मेरे प्रश्न है, अगर आप बुरा ना मानो तो मैं पूछूं.
Yeah, sure.
ये आपने शुरुआत की है, आपने बताया कि आप हिंदी मीडियम से ही पढ़े लिखे हैं और आज आपकी इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी हो गई है. ये बुक आपने इंग्लिश में लिखी है और आपको, आपसे बेहतर ये कोई नहीं जानता कि आज भारत में एक बड़ी जो लोग हैं वो सब हिंदी बोलते हैं. साहित्य समाज का दर्पण है, ये आपको पता ही है क्योंकि आप एक राइटर हैं, हम जो है छोटे मोटा व्यक्ति हैं, बुरा ना मानो. तो जो साहित्य होता है वो समाज का दर्पण है. आपने कहा आप इलाहाबाद गए, आप नोएडा गए, लखनऊ आप गए, तो आपने लोगों को समझा, तब ये बुक लिखी है. आपने बुक लिखी, आप ये बताना चाह रहे कि पहले पढ़ो तो आपको पता रहेगा ये कितनी अच्छी बुक है. आप अपने आप खड़े हो जाओगे, इसलिए बुक है. अपने लिए खड़े होना, ये बुक है. लेकिन आपकी ये पहली बुक है, आपने शुरुआत कर दी. आपको पता है चेतन भगत आज के समय में, मैडम ने भी आपको रोका था कि चेतन भगत आज के समय में एक अच्छे राइटर हैं और एक बहुत बड़े लोग उनसे प्यार करते हैं. और अभी आपने कहा चेतन भगत राइट सिट, मतलब हिंदी में कहूँ तो चेतन भगत टट्टी लिखते हैं. आप समझो, नहीं मैं बोल, अब समझो चीज़ों को. आप जब ये कहते हैं कि चेतन भगत टट्टी लिखते हैं, तो जो उनकी जो ऑडियंस है ये बात सुनेंगे तो आपके लवर पैदा होंगे, आपके हेटर पैदा होंगे. बेसिकली जानना चाहेंगे.
नहीं नहीं, वो ना थोड़े से नर्वस हो गए थे.
No,
वो
I would like to answer the question.
मैं आपको रोक नहीं रहा हूँ. जीवन में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. देखो, दूसरों में कमी निकालते निकालते जिंदगी निकल जाएगी. कुछ कमी खुद में निकालो तो जिंदगी बदल जाएगी. तो मैं
Good sir, it was more of a constructive criticism, and it not just my point of view. I have been into writing and reading from a long time, and that's why I have ended up writing a book. So I know ki who writes what, and shit means I did not mean tatty, you know.
उनका मतलब था कि टॉपिक
Crap,
मतलब
crap.
एक नॉर्मल टॉपिक जैसे होता है. नहीं नहीं, आप हिंदी में बात करिए. मेरी को तो इंग्लिश आती नहीं है बिल्कुल. आप हिंदी में बात करिए, बिल्कुल शुद्ध.
तो अगर इस बुक को पढ़ते हैं तो जैसे मुझे तो इंग्लिश आती नहीं है, तो हिंदी में अगर मुझे पढ़ना.
नहीं नहीं, इसका हम हिंदी वर्जन भी निकलवा रहे हैं, तो उसकी आप बिल्कुल चिंता ना करें. लेकिन ये है कि इन्होंने इंग्लिश में इसलिए निकाली, मैं इनकी तरफ से इसलिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि ये हैं जेन जी, यंग जनरेशन, कॉलेज में पढ़ते हैं. अब आप समझ रहे हैं ना, पीयर प्रेशर भी तो था. दुनिया को मुंह नहीं दिखा पाएंगे अगर हिंदी में लिख दी तो. आप और मैं तो थोड़े पुराने ज़माने के हो गए ना, समझिए. कोई बात नहीं, हम हिंदी में भी निकलवाएंगे.
आपको रोक नहीं रहा हूँ. मेरे जैसे आपको बहुत लोग मिलेंगे. मैं तो एक सिखाने की पर्पज से कह रहा हूँ. आगे जैसे आप बढ़ते जाएंगे, आपकी उम्र कम है, चीज़ें भावनाओं से शुरू होती हैं और वो फिर सीखेंगे और आगे बढ़ेंगे. तो ठीक है, वैसा हमारी तरफ से भी शुभकामनाएं, आप आगे बढ़े. परमात्मा
Thank you sir, thank you. I will
नहीं,
take
नहीं,
it as
thank
a
you so much.
constructive
देखिए-
criticism.
क्रिटिसिज्म बहुत ज़रूरी है आगे बढ़ने के लिए, और उनको टोकना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि क्या होता है, बच्चे हैं, अभी लड़खड़ाएंगे, गिरेंगे, और आप लोगों का सपोर्ट रहेगा तो डेफिनेटली इज गोइंग टू मूव अहेड. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन?
I think you were having some questions. You can ask. Somebody raised his hand, na?
Come on,
You,
guys.
I'm asking to you. Yes.
Anyone else? Please.
How somebody gets sexually assaulted and how they and their team fights for it, and in that story in that plot there are subplots. So you will get, as I told you will get everything, but yeah, the main theme of the story is that only. So I would like to give a premise as I couldn't give earlier. The story follows the life of a few teenagers, where there's this one character who is 13-year-old and she gets sexually assaulted by this by somebody who is 30-year-old, and they are very powerful, they are very rich. So that's where the journey starts of those few teenagers, and they fight for it. They have to go to the hospital for checkups, they have to go to the courtrooms, they have to go to the police station, and eventually they get nothing out of it. So it shows, I mean, we all have experience teenage and adulthood. So the story shows you how somebody navigates through the problems of adulthood and all.
It's basically your struggle with a certain situation and how you're facing it, overcoming it, and getting supported or not supported. So it's a mixed story. Maybe आपको लगे कि ये plot बहुत common है, but the way he has put, that what matters. क्योंकि अगर हम movies भी देखने जाते हैं ना, ultimately story line एक ही होती है, right? But the way and how it has been portrayed, the emotions, the thought, that is what actually the art is. So वो पढ़ के ही पता लगेगा, है ना? This is the tagline of the.
I mean, you can
this.
read the title. He is a hero, he raped. So how can somebody be hero and how can somebody rape somebody?
So the very controversial topic, and there's a lot of thing to understand. So I would only suggest that let's launch the book so that it is available to all of us. हम जल्दी से जल्दी इस book को launch करते हैं और हम सब के लिए available होती है, right?
Any more question? I would like to answer few of the question.
Any more questions?
Yes. Oh, that's my brother. He's just pulling
So
my leg.
no. See, भाई criticism कहीं से, हमारे लिए वो audience है. You have to give the answer.
Okay, the first book, like the first novel ever in my life I read was of Chetan Bhagat, The Room Number 105. Haan. And I loved it. And I fell in reading since then only. And then I explored other authors, and then only I compared कि अच्छा Chetan Bhagat is writing this and other authors are writing this. If you all know, I'm sure कि 80% लोगों को पता होगी एक बुक वायरल हो रही है, I don't love you anymore, पीले उसका पीला वो है, लोगों को पता होगा ना, वो आपको बाहर निकलेंगे हर जगह वो रोड पे मिल जाएगी. That is shit. I can, like, I will say it. That is
See,
shit. That is crap.
एक
Let me complete. That is
Again,
shit.
भाई एक
Because-
बात सुनो, भाई ये देखो मैं इंटरव्यू ले रही हूँ, मैं तो ज़्यादा बोल ही नहीं सकती, बाद में जाके मैं इस बंदे का गला दबाऊंगी. हाँ, ऐसे ऐसे कैसे बोल सकता है? He's cute looking यार, बाहर में गई कैसा लिखता है? He's cute looking, right? Anyways, see, that's again, since my writer is little nervous, he's talking shit.
I am not nervous anymore. Praveen writes way better than that.
All
What's his
right,
name?
so that's a controversial topic. Now I would like,
because I am connected. I am in
Thank
the
you.
industry
Thank you
and
so-
I am connected with.
Thank you
a
so
lot
much.
Of,
We are waving from the topic. Excuse me. We are waving of the topic. I think we have lot many things to come up, because देखिए जब तक आप book नहीं पढ़ोगे, हम भी बहुत सारी criticism और बहुत सारी अपने reviews दे सकते हैं. So let's not delve into that.
we will end
Let's
with-
not delve into that.
Vijay
Now
was-
I would like the family, since the family is here, author's brother and sister they are here, I would like to invite them so that we can launch the book. You have a question?
Ma'am, Vijay
Okay,
has a
please.
I totally respect. But they are not here. Let me answer. And but what about those? I mean, you guys with with all due respect, you guys sit here and people come here and people talk कितने intense level की गंदगी which is hard to listen. Where are you all? That's where I say कि take a stand for yourself.
That is roasting. That is roasting. It is a yes. That is a ठीक है. That is a different aspect. So it's not that. See, what he's just maybe he's less of vocabulary right now. He doesn't mean that. With due respect, because he said he loved Chetan Bhagat's first book. So maybe he was an inspiration for him. Right? So it's not. Today maybe we are not liking his content. That's a totally different thing. वो अपना अपना version होता है, perception होता है. So it's not that. He doesn't mean any harm to Chetan. And no one can be. He's a big shot man यार. हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं? आज हम यहाँ खड़े होके कविता बोलते हैं, कुमार विश्वास को गाली देने लगे? नहीं भाई. भाई नोएडा में रहना ही नहीं रहना है. You know, पुलिस वाले चौकी घर के बाहर है उनके. So it's like that. So no hard feelings. Nothing for Chetan Bhagat. Because मैं तो खुद I really like Chetan Bhagat. Though he doesn't write what he should write. वो अपने स्टैंडर्ड से थोड़ा सा डाउन हो गए हैं इन अ वेरी सटल मैनर. भाई जूता मारो, प्यार से मारो, खुल के ना मारो, है ना? इधर भिगो भिगो के
But
मारो,
that is
लेकिन
what
बस
makes
प्यार से
me-
मारो.
that
अब
is-
let me invite the family, brother and sister, they're here for this special occasion, so that the family, you know, family is so important to support you. So I would like to call Vivek and Pragya. Please come over here so that we can launch the book. Yeah, big round of applause, Vivek and Pragya. Thank you so much. So भाई से ज़्यादा और कोई रोस्ट कर ही नहीं सकता है. Right? So here. Yeah. So officially, come on, Anubhav. We don't need any stool or chair. We are going to stand. Come, come. Aajo. So now we officially launch the book. So please, the name of the book.
He is a hero and he raped.
And the author's name is?
Author is Anubhav.
Wow, big round of applause. Congratulations and best wishes. And as for launching, I would request Pragya to read the prologue. And if Vivek wants to, he can continue with it. So that you'll get a brief idea what the book is all about. और हिंदी में मैं बोलूँ कि वो फर्स्ट पेज पढ़ के बताएंगे सो दैट आपको कुछ आइडिया लग जाए कि किस तरीके से वर्ड्स, किस तरीके से फॉर्मेशन हुआ है कंटेंट का. प्लीज गो अहेड.
Beneath the scorching summer sun, Ashoka's peaceful slumber was abruptly shattered by incessant ring of his phone. He awoke, drenched in sweat, gazing at the ceiling fan's sluggish rotation, whose each blade could be counted as it moved. Reluctantly, he fumbled for his OnePlus hidden beneath his pillow. The phone's insistent ringtone revealed his cousin Meher as the culprit. Bitch ruined my sleep. Ashoka grumbled under his breath. Though tempted to ignore the call, the oppressive heat left him with no choice but to answer.
Thank you, Pragya. Vivek, you can continue. The third. We'll just read the first page because आप लोगों के पास book नहीं है तो आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा, right? It's just kind of getting familiar with the book.
Thank you. Before he could utter a word, Meher. Okay. Is it on? I can't. Okay. Before he could utter a word, Meher fired a question. Is Padma at your place? Anubhav, half awake, responded. Paddy? Oh, she's probably in Bhavi's room. He raised his voice, calling out, Paddy, Paddy, go home. Meher is looking for you.
All right. Thank you, Vivek. I think that's enough. And I'll just culminate, right, just to wind up the last paragraph. Ashoka scratched his head in confusion. She hasn't come today? He had barely uttered these words before Meher abruptly hung up. Annoyed, he tossed his phone to the other side of the bed and sprawled on his back, seeking relief from the relentless heat. As he began to drift back into a deep slumber, he was briefly roused by hushed conversations between Padma's grandmother, Kalyani Devi, and his own grandmother, Indrani Thakur. Their murmurs reached his ears, but he paid them little and no attention. And the story goes on. So, no, we are not going to read it. पढ़ के ही पता लगेगा. मैं तो पूरी book पढ़ लूँगी. Okay, he wants me to finish, or would you like to read?
Maybe I can.
Yes, let him read.
But you were reading like very nicely, so maybe you should.
Do you want me to read, guys? Or you want the author to read? मैं ही continue करूँ? All right, ladies first, excuse me. Who is this? Gender discrimination? है?
They want this to be over
soon. All right, soon. The overwhelming drowsiness. All right, let me start. Soon, the overwhelming drowsiness overcame him once more. But just as he dipped back into the depths of the sleep, the phone rang again with persistent urgency. Tring, 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 tring. Ashoka jolted awake, his head throbbing. He begrudgingly answered the call, muttering, "Oh no, not again, Meher. I'm gonna kill you this time." "What now?" he asked annoyingly. With a sense of foreboding, Ashoka heard Meher's words that would change everything. Padma is missing. Will Padma family ever find her? Is Padma even alive? And will the Orthodox Hindu Rajput community ever come to terms with their circumstances? Anubhav Singh will take you on a journey through the unfortunate lives of Padma and her family and their struggle against societal norms in the chapters that follow. So ये सिर्फ पढ़ के ही पता चलेगा. With this, on this note, I would congratulate the author and best wishes to the author. Congratulations. So who all are going to buy the book? Anyone from here? Would you like to come up? Please come and take it.
I want to call some of my friends on this stage.
Yeah, sure, please. Your friends, call out to them.
Bhumika, please come.
Bhumika, Praveen, and Siddharth ji.